While editing in CapCut,
You
I felt this edit looked
No,
really
yeah, Zen
boring and
from
simple,
JJK.
then I remember some tricks that my grandma taught me.
な
So I decided to share them with you. Also, I'll show the 4K intro clip at the end, so watch till the end. So first, I zoomed into the timeline and went to the intro's frozen clip. Then I added this mic mute overlay, which I'll show at the end. I used chroma key to remove the green background, adjusted it in the center, and then went to layers and dragged it to the right side. I also added a mic mute sound effect with it. Then I noticed the edit had very few transitions, almost none. So I went to the start, tapped on a random transition between clips, and applied spin counterclockwise. After that, I moved to another clip's transition and added top right. Then on the next transition, I applied B-morph and square out to add more variation. After applying this, I went to effects and added the shake effect. I placed it on the first 1/3 of the clip and set object to all videos. Then I added 2 keyframes. On the first, I set speed 60 and intensity 50, and on the last, I set both to 0. After that, I duplicated it and replaced it with camera shake. I kept the same keyframe length and added 2 keyframes again, setting the last keyframe's intensity to 0. Then I kept duplicating this and pasted it under each clip one by one to keep everything consistent. In the end, I placed the shaky glitch intro underneath and applied Black Flash 2 to the whole edit. Here's the results. Thanks to my legendary grandma tricks.
You cosplay? No, yeah, Zen from JJK. ひどいな人の心
Here's the 4K intro clip or overlay.
No, yeah, Zen from JJK. ひどいな人